I'm Lala. What's your name? Oh, your name's Club Ty. Your name's Beanie Boo Adventures. Layla A. Beanie Boo Twilight. Who are you?
Did you do that, Aaron?
My friend that's to me. And if you know me, my name is Lala. So they're the best friends ever. Subscribe to their channel. And also Club Ties. Also, please subscribe to Club Tie. If you don't, then I won't be even. Actually, please do subscribe to her. Well, if you don't know, we went to a Sunday market and like a Sunday garage sale, and we got some plushies and Beanie Boos that I actually want to show you. So yeah, we're gonna show you them. Okay, let's show you them. This is actually the first thing that I got. This yo-ho thing. It's a yo-ho, and I don't know its name, but I'm just gonna give it. It's named for my one, and I'm gonna call it. Are you ready to hear it? I want to name you little thing, weird yo-ho thing. Diva. Okay, it's the lyric from Beyonce song. Okay, yeah. I actually am gonna name her Roxy. No. Oh no, Lily, yeah, Lily. Oh, next one, get off here. The next one is a Beanie Boo that you might saw them on Cat's GBC channel, and she it's a mascot. And if you want to see it, get ready. Hi, I am Leona. How are you? Are you good? And that would be very good to hear. So I got Leona. I got Leona in the Sunday market. Leona's in the Sunday market. Well, I saw Leona, I screamed a bit and then picked her up. I was like, okay, Leona, I have you now. So when we kidnap you, I left Duke because I have Duke. And then a couple of, 19 minutes later, go checked on him, and he was gone. So I think one little kid that didn't even know Duke was a Beanie Boo got him. Yeah. And everybody loves these little things. Oh, yeah. Almost everybody that I know before Beanie Babies. No, actually, see everybody that I know actually before it's Beanie Boos, but I know one friend that before it's Beanie Babies. And that's shot. So, next one. I actually might put Leona in the back. So she'll be dead. Next one is this Moshi monster I got. I don't know why I got this, but I saw Casey in here as well. I didn't get her, spoiler alert, because I have Casey. But I don't know why I got this mushy monster. It's kind of weird. It's a weird topic for me. It's the weirdest topic for me, and whoever likes mushy monsters can comment down below, whatever. I don't mind mushy monsters. It's okay. I don't mind them. I don't like them and mind them. Just, yeah. Get off this. You weird thing. Next one is an other Beanie Boo. And it's going to be my second unicorn. It has a pastel color to it. If you're ready to see it. Oh, are you ready? I think you're ready. One. Oh my god, what's this? Stucking in my bed tonight, making myself bathe. people do. Some people do. Am I dumb? Well, I'm a way better Beanie Boo. Way better Beanie Boo. What the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck? One, don't pick up the cup, cause it's gonna be the what the cup. I am a way better one. Well, I got Blitz. So these look like I've done a touch tag. Beast. They're beast. So yeah, should I put that in the record? Yeah. Oh yeah. Next one was something that I saw. I was like, oh wow, this is very valuable and costs lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. Burped. And lots and lots of money. And okay, it is. I had a tag protector. And am I gonna put that tag protector on the Beanie Boo? I don't know. But I don't know. And it is Smooch, the Beanie Baby, and it's a bear. So it has the tag protector on it. It has a tag. So I might read the tag. Tag protector is not going to go off forever, and I'm not going to use him. He's too rare for me to use. And yeah, he just fell. Tag protector's off him now. So her tag reads this. So it says she's a part of the Beanie Boo Buddies Collect. TY Inc., TY Canada, TY Japan, TY Europe, blah blah blah. Okay, well, okay, Smoosh. A tight employee actually made the kiss print. That is featured on Smoosh fabric. Imagine if people made YouTube channels like our Beanie Babies. If they do use Beanie Babies, I'm sorry. Sorry, not to be rude. Beanie Babies aren't my favourite. Beanie Babies are my sorry. Everybody, you can go off my video. Okay, I like smushes. Next one is another Beanie Boo. It's the last one that I'm going to be showing you, and then like this whole video will be over. And yeah, and I don't think you know what Beanie Boo is. And I fell, so yeah, about that. And it's gonna have it's gonna be a song in it, like it's what I call it Beanie Boos. So yeah, ready. I'm Lindy, and I'm on every TikTok. I'm Lindy, always get these all boos. And I'm better, and I'm best. I am the best one. And if you think I was born yesterday, well, you are right. So I got them off. I don't need these boos. Beanie Boo collector does not like them. I like them more than you. Oh, well, I like Leon the best. So I want. And the second one, I don't. Yes, I don't tell you why. Yeah! So we got Lindy. Lindy's the cat Beanie Boo that I kind of wanted actually, and I kind of not wanted at the same time. I got her anyways. I kind of regret saying I didn't want her. She's so cute now, actually. But she's very cute, but Leona's kind of cuter. So, yeah. I'll put her in the background. Okay, yeah, scar on my face. So guys, that's everything that I got from the Sunday market. So, I very enjoyed showing you all of them, but the one person that I forgot to buy in this line, the animal. Okay, he's kind of scary. They put him like here. slang. Should I? Yeah. Well, guys, actually, no, like this. So he was sitting on the Beanie Baby. It's cute. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Comment if the comments are blocked before it's too late to comment. And I love you all, guys, and especially my that's watching this, and also my friends and stuff, and family, and also all my friends like on YouTube as well. So like, subscribe, and share, and comment before it's too late. So bye guys, and stay tuned for the next video today.